Just show that 1 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 into 3 by 4 into 8 minus 1 into 3 into 5 divided 4 into 8 into 12 plus dot 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 equal to square root of 2 by 3. We know a couple of different series like geometric series 1 plus 2 square plus dot dot dot. Of course, this is not conversion. We should write say 1 plus 1 by 2 plus dot dot dot. This is not definitely a geometric series. Maybe it is like say e to the power x equal to 1 plus x square by factorial 2 plus x cube by factorial 3 plus dot dot dot. So e to the power x equal to 1 plus x square of factorial 2 plus x cubed by factorial 3 plus dot dot dot. Well, you have something like 4 into 8 into 12. So something like factorial on the denominator but not on the numerator. So expression is something like factorial n by factorial m. Something like, let's say, that reminds us about binomial coefficient. And on the right hand side you have square root of 2 by 3. We can write square root of 2 by 3 is 2 by 3 to the power half. So that reminds us about binomial theorem. Let's write it. 1 plus x to the power n equal to 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by factorial 2 into x square minus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by factorial 3 into x cube plus dot dot dot. So maybe this series resemble this. Let's take, if it resembles at all, nx equal to minus 1 by 4. Of course, that will not solve us nx. So we take second term to be equal and then third term also to be equal. 1 into 3 by 4 into 8 equal to n into n minus 1 by factorial 2 into x square. So we have two unknown nx and two equation. Can we solve it? Yes, let's solve it. From here we can write n equal to minus 1 by 4x, or let's solve for, or we can write x equal to minus 1 by 4n. That will be a bit easier for us. Now let's put that value of x in this equation. That gives us 1 into 3 by 4 into 8 equal to n into n minus 1 by 2 as it is. But we want to replace x by this value minus 1 by 4n. Oh, we can cancel 2, and then this is 4 into 4 is 16, 16 into 2 is 32, 8 into 4 is 32. So we can cancel this 32 with this 2 and this 4. 4 square is 16, that gets cancelled. And then we can write 1 into 3 is 3 equal to n into n minus 1 by minus 1 square is 1, n into n is n square. Well, n cannot be 0, so we can cancel n as well. And we cross multiply. When we cross multiply, we obtain 3n equal to n minus 1. That gives us 2n equal to minus 1, or n equal to minus half. Okay, but as we have obtained by comparing the term nx equal to minus 1/4, x equal to minus 1 by 4 into n. But x equal to minus 1 by 4 into n and n equal to minus half. So this imply x equal to minus 1 by 4 into, write n equal to minus half. 2 gets cancelled, so x equal to 1 by 2. So we have 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by factorial 2 into x square minus n into n minus 2 into n minus, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by factorial 3 into x cubed dot 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 equal to 1 plus x to the power n. Therefore, sum of the series is 1 plus x whole thing to the power n, and you got 1 as it is, x equal to half, n equal to minus half. That gives us 1 plus half is 3 by 2 to the power minus half. By law of indices, this can be written as 2 by 3 to the power half, and that's equal to root over 2 by 3.